A lot of gamers, 3D modelers, data scientists, video editors, and machine learning enthusiasts consider having a laptop from MSI because of their high-level performance with no lags. If you are one among them and are looking for a reliable MSI laptop for your gaming, workstation needs or multimedia editing needs, then you are at the right place. In this video, I am going to show you 5 best amazing MSI laptops that you can consider to buy for 2022. So do watch the video till the end and do let me know in the comment section which MSI laptop did you like the most. Please hit the like button, do share this video among your friends and subscribe our channel. MSI Modern 14, the best budget laptop from MSI. Are you frustrated with your current work laptop, or do you want a laptop that is adjusted to the latest configuration of the digital nomads? Well, your search ends here with the new MSI Modern 14. The ultra thin, sleek and chic laptop looks great and it is armed with some of the best features and tools. It comes with a beautiful 14-inch Full HD IPS panel which will give you immersive display experience. Powering the device is the Intel Core i5 processor, 512GB SSD storage and 8GB of RAM with an integrated GPU. When it comes to the work laptop, users want both aesthetics and technical functionality, and this model provides the best of the both. The audio jack and visuals are also up to the mark and provide overall holistic support to your working experience. The backlit keyboard is ergonomic and easy to use. Coming to the battery life, MSI claims up to 10 hours of battery life. Consider this laptop for its compact and easy to handle, bright appealing display, backlit keyboard, durable consistent connectivity and amazing battery life. The only disappointing thing here is no dedicated GPU provided. Links are given in the description for various countries. You can check the price and availability in your country and buy it from there. MSI Prestige 14 Evo, ideal for mid-level photo and video editors. An Intel Evo sticker gives consumers peace of mind that a laptop has been vetted to meet or exceed high standards for battery life, connectivity, internal hardware and more. The Prestige 14 Evo is stuffed with a beefy 11th generation Intel Core i7 processor and offers an impressive battery life of nearly 11 hours as claimed by the company. But on real usage, you may get up to 9 to 10 hours of battery life on average usage, and on heavy usage you may get a battery life of 7 to 8 hours. Coming to its design, it is sleek, polished and damn near weightless. Slip this device into your bag and you won't even notice it there. Content creators will also appreciate the Prestige 14 Evo's useful pre-installed software for photo and video editing. Consider this laptop for its military tested durability, color accurate display and zippy performance. The disappointments here are weird keyboard layout and the speaker quality is not so good. MSI GS66, a value for money laptop from MSI. If you need a powerful laptop that doesn't cost you a fortune, you should check out the MSI GS66. It uses an Intel Core i7 CPU coupled with up to 16GB of DDR4 RAM and 1TB of NVMe SSD, which are enough for most people who need top-notch performance. For dedicated graphics requirement, it comes with the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 2070, which is more than enough thanks to its 8GB of GDDR6 VRAM. Like other machines, you can spot a 15.6-inch Full HD IPS panel with 72% NTSC coverage. While the panel has a top resolution, the refresh rate is set at 144Hz. You can expect an overall snappy user experience while gaming or multitasking. Despite its lower price tag, the machine comes with a perky RGB backlit keyboard with the anti-ghosting keys. The typing experience from the device is impressive as seen in many of the reviews, and the trackpad also remains precise. This laptop weighs around 4.6 pounds and it is 1.08 inch in thickness. MSI has used the extra bulk to accommodate premium audio and connectivity. Coming to the battery, it comes with a 50 watt-hour battery inside the machine, which is not the biggest powerhouse, but according to MSI, it can provide you up to 8 hours of backup. Consider this laptop for its affordable price tag, expansive connectivity, top-notch performance, and perky RGB backlit keyboard. The only disappointment here is it is heavy and bulky. MSI GS66 Stealth, slim gaming laptop with a huge battery life. Yes, the Stealth is little expensive, but that lofty price nets you a laptop with a powerful gaming and overall experience thanks to the Intel Core i7 CPU and the Nvidia GeForce RTX 3070 Max-Q GPU. It comes with a speedy SSD and the largest battery life, and this combination makes it a bona fide winner. If you're looking for a near perfect combination of performance and endurance in an incredibly light svelte chassis, the MSI GS66 Stealth is a way to go. From stellar graphics and overall performance to lightning fast transfer speeds and surprising endurance, there is just a whole lot of win underneath that 0.7-inch chassis. And let's not forget the lovely display and the customizable great keyboard. For the power, this laptop is worth every penny, earning the top spot in our list. MSI GT76 Titan. Overall, the best MSI laptop. MSI GT76 Titan is stepping out in all its silver foxy glory. The Titan's new look is nothing short of stunning, and when paired with the MSI's custom of employing the most powerful components available, the Titan is a force to be reckoned with, both performance-wise and financially. This laptop has just about everything, including an Intel desktop processor, a dedicated Nvidia RTX 2080 GPU, which means it is plenty powerful for gaming and productivity. MSI's kitchen sink approach ensures that hardcore gamers have all the power they crave and then some. Thanks to those high-end power specifications, the system will easily execute whatever you throw at it. Consider this laptop for its very attractive design, excellent graphics and overall performance, bright and colorful 4K panel. The only disappointment here is it is extremely expensive. So these are the 5 best MSI laptops that you can consider to buy for 2022. If you like the video, please hit the like button, do share this video among your friends, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching, take care, bye bye.